I didn't do the closet yet. I stained it. I just didn't do it. It's there. 4 hours I can redid it. I ain't lying. I try to come and put a second lower, a second layer in, 4 hours later, and look at the bubbles. Just this row right here. It's the only thing I did. It was too wet. I couldn't even pull the thing, so I stopped right there. So I'm gonna have to sand that and the closet. But the rest of it looks great. I mean, all new fixtures, all new electric plugs, all new electric switches. I got the fan blades. I'm going to put them up when I get done. All of this has been painted. This floor needs to be stained, but I got a fill right there, and right there first. This room, I'm gonna restain it. That's why I buffed the finish off of it. I mean the water-based stuff I put on. You can't really see because it's dirty because I didn't mop it afterwards. But here's the paint stuff in here. All new air vents, ducts, vents, light switches, electric plates, electric covers. Repainted the restroom. New vents, new blinds. These are the custom job light fixtures he did painting. You can't really see how badass it looks. It's got a hammer's finish on it. Oh, this is done. I got carpet to put here. Well, the old carpets I'm putting here, and I got new ones to put everywhere around. New floor vents, new switches, new plugs. Mirrors hung. Had to rebuild this window because it was rotten at the bottom. All that's painted and done. When I come back, I drywall this better. With this mirror mounted. I mounted it into the fireplace with metal, with concrete screws, and then I put a board up there, and then I screwed the thing to the board. Your windows are shut up there, Dad?
Yeah, they're shut.
Okay. Where's your stuff at?
It's him, man.
You already got it?
Yep.
And you want me to double check, make sure you got everything?
You can, but I did.
Okay. If you did it, then that's fine. You got your wallet?
Yep.
You got your phone? You need your medicine in the refrigerator?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. I'll grab it. He did these bronze hammer.
You gotta have that. I gotta have my medicine. It's harder and harder to get.
Had to repaint these walls. Oh, I was telling. I'm just talking on a video. We're gonna hit these. I'm gonna hit these walls when I come back. Do what?